Here you can see a user walking on level ground and the knee is not releasing. They are walking with a timid step 2 gait. Ensure your patient is taking equal length steps and rolling over the toe to complete the algorithm for the knee to release. If the user is having difficulty in calibration step 3, have them increase their speed, roll over the toe, and take equal step lengths. For the knee to release going up a ramp, ensure the user is walking upright and taking equal step lengths. If the user is bent forward, using a step 2 gait, or putting a lot of weight through the handrails, the knee will not release. Let's compare the two here.